Hi, sweetie. What a nice time he's having.
Yes, yes.
Hey, sweetie. Can I take a photo too? Show Pam?
Yes, absolutely.
She would really love this.
I just love the way they talk. I know. This is just more than you can imagine. Pity you haven't got sound. Pity you don't have sound on it.
I'm filming it.
Are they exactly the same breed?
Yeah,
Yeah?
Yes, he's a husky. Yours is too.
yeah. One's a girl, so she's small.
Hey, sweetie.
Thank you.
Bye, sweetie. It's been a long time. It's been such a long time. Yeah.
Having a good sniff.
She's darling. Oh, darling. Come on, now, don't be silly. It's all right. You're all right.
God, he's naughty. Hold his mouth shut. That's what I did to her.
Sorry?
Hold his mouth shut when he does that. How old is he?
2.
Wow, he's so...
Coco.
Yeah.
He suffers a lot from separation.
Yeah, I
as
can
well.
see. No, she doesn't miss me and I'm gone.